Configuring the graphics settings in Apex Legends can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visuals. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Open Apex Legends on your gaming platform. Wait for the game to load to the main menu where you can access the settings. Step 2. Access Settings menu. Navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon usually located in the lower right corner of the main menu. This will open up various options for game settings. Step 3. Select Graphics Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Graphics tab. This section contains all the options related to visual performance and quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Review the available graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. Adjust these settings based on your preference and the capabilities of your hardware. Low settings can improve performance, while higher settings enhance visuals. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, look for the option to save or apply changes. Click on it to ensure your new settings take effect. You may want to restart the game to see the full impact of your changes. By following these steps, you can optimize your Apex Legends graphics settings for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your game.